Did you know that proper hazardous materials handling can be the difference between environmental protection and catastrophic incidents? Organizations frequently struggle with implementing comprehensive hazardous materials and waste management programs, facing challenges in compliance, safety, and emergency response readiness. Inadequate hazardous materials management leads to increased workplace risks, environmental incidents, and potential regulatory violations that can devastate operations and communities. Employees often feel overwhelmed by the complexity of hazardous materials handling and emergency response procedures, lacking confidence in their ability to safely manage dangerous substances. This knowledge gap creates anxiety about workplace safety and environmental protection. This course provides a comprehensive toolkit for mastering hazardous materials management and emergency response protocols. Participants learn advanced techniques for materials identification, safe handling procedures, and emergency response coordination. Organizations gain enhanced capabilities in hazardous materials management, improving workplace safety while ensuring environmental protection. The ability to effectively handle hazardous materials and respond to emergencies becomes a critical operational competency. Individual participants transform into confident hazardous materials handlers and emergency responders, capable of managing complex situations safely. Teams develop collaborative approaches to hazardous materials management and emergency response coordination. At the organizational level, expect improved safety performance, reduced environmental incidents, and enhanced emergency preparedness. Individual professionals emerge with specialized expertise in hazardous materials handling and emergency response protocols. Transform your organization's approach to hazardous materials management. Master hazardous materials and hazardous waste operations and emergency response principles and create a safer, more responsive workplace today. Join us in protecting your people, your community, and the environment.